Today I'll be teaching the three reasons why this particular strategy that I've always been talking about on the hidden divergences always work. Right? It's just down to three reasons. All right. So if you're new here, welcome so much. Make sure you subscribe. For everyone who have subscribed recently, welcome so much. I highly appreciate. Make sure you join the free group on the Telegram group. That is where we normally trade, all for free. Normally the basic strategy that we use, always the hidden and the regular divergences. No other particular strategies that will mix your mind up. All right, just one thing. All right. So the three reasons why this particular strategy has always been working is you have to focus on three factors. The trend, you have to first know where is the trend going. Is it going up or is it going down? All right, that is one thing. All right, so the second thing you need to check is the hidden divergences. Can you see the hidden divergences? All right, and the third thing, if you know the trend, let's say we are bullish like we are on this particular part. Let's say we are bullish, so the trend on the 200 MA is bullish. Then we have a hidden divergence. All right, you've spotted a hidden divergence. All right, then on top of that, you have to check the last thing, the reversal divergences. All right, what is the purpose of the hidden divergence and the reversal divergence? The hidden divergence will help you know the continuation of that particular trend. So if the trend is going up, it's helping you know if will the trend continue higher. All right, so if it will continue higher on the second checklist, on the second factor, you have to know will the trend be strong or weak. So if you have spotted a hidden divergence, you will know that the trend will be weak. A reversal divergence, sorry. So after you spot a hidden divergence, I'll do that practically in a minute, so make sure you stick around. If you spot a hidden divergence and then you spot a reversal divergence, that shows that the trend will be weak or a reversal signal is possible very soon. All right, so what am I talking about here? Let's get on to the chart right now. So this is GBPUSD. Today is on Saturday, so the market is not moving. All right, I have more time to explain more stuff for you to help you grow. All right, so let's start here. So the market was right here after a reversal. All right, so the market pumped and headed higher. All right, then pulled back to this zone, forming a hidden divergence right here. What does the hidden divergence show? The hidden divergence shows continuation of the uptrend. So this is a bullish hidden divergence. This is showing the continuation of the uptrend. All right, so if it's showing the continuation of the uptrend, you need to know one thing: is there a weakness in the market? So the next thing you need to know, you need to check the reversal divergence. So is on the previous highs, can I see a reversal divergence? And in our case, no, because both highs on the chart and on the RSI are moving higher. So there is no weakness in the market. So you are comfortable buying right there. Boom, and the market rises. All right, so what happens around here? Let me first clear this up. So what happens when the market comes back here? Can you see a hidden divergence? Is the trend moving up? Yes. Can we see a reversal, a hidden divergence? Sure. Can we see a reversal divergence to identify if the trend will be strong or weak? Let's see. So the high points on the chart are moving higher, and the high points on the RSI are moving lower. So this is a reversal divergence. It's showing that there will be a continuation trend, but it will be weak. The bulls and the bears are matching up. All right, so in this case, the bulls are pushing the market higher, but the bears are still strong in this case. All right, so that there is lack of enough momentum to push very hard. All right, so what can we see after that? The market pushed high just a little bit, but slammed down. All right, have you seen what I'm trying to tell you? Yeah, so that is how you know when the market is strong in a certain trend. All right, so let's continue. Then the market pushed higher, so we are still in a bullish trend, but we've seen the weakness right here, and we didn't trade here because we didn't buy here because the trend will not be sustainable to the upside. All right, yeah, So after the market pushed downwards, the bears got in, they pushed higher, the bulls got in and got back to the moving average, all right, forming some kind of another continuation divergence to the upside, all right. But is there a hidden a regular divergence to check the weakness again, right? The low points are going lower and the low points are going lower, so there is no reversal divergence. So this means that the trend here will be strong. So let's see what happened. Bam, the strength was very strong, and this is the trade that I took on the previous video that I grew. I flipped a $3 account to $50 account in a few hours, just from here to here. All right, so that is the strategy I use. Those are the things that you need to identify. Can I see a hidden divergence? Yes. Can I see a reversal divergence? No. So the trend will be strong. So you get in, and this is the time that you scale in more positions, because you are sure there are not enough counter attackers to prevent the price from moving higher or lower. All right, so that is how you know. So the 3 steps: know the trend using the moving average. The second thing, look for hidden divergences, confirming the trend, all right, whether up or down. All right, you know how we do it. If you've been in the group and if you have subscribed to this channel, you know all the videos that I've been posting. I've been talking about the hidden divergences. All right, you know that. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. So you need to check on the moving average, 200 moving average, know the trend, then look for hidden divergences for entry purposes and to confirm the continuation of the trend, and then look for reversal divergences to know is there a reversal divergence occurring. All right, so this is GBPUSD. all right, this is GBPUSD right here. Let's look at another case that we took previously. All right, yeah, this is Aussie Swiss, as you can see right there. Australia, Switzerland, Swiss franc. So this is another trade. All right, so the moving average has started to face up. All right, so you bought there, move, had that profit, and the market retraced. All right, and you bought again, had another profit. Right there, the market retraced back, forming another hidden divergence right there, and you wanted to buy. But are you checking for the reversal divergence? Yes, let's check. The high points are going higher, but on the and also on the other side, the high points are also going higher. What does that mean? The trend is healthy. All right, you need to check on the health of the trend. All right, so you had that profit. The market went higher, pulled, forming another continuation divergence. All right, hidden divergence. But is the trend healthy? All right, is the trend showing some health? Yes. The high points are going high, and the high points are going higher on the RSI as well. All right, so the market is still pushing. Okay, so the market is pushing higher right there. All right, giving some good buying signal, and your trend is still healthy right here, but your trend here is not healthy. There is no enough momentum, and it's being shown by the divergences. The reversal divergence, the second checklist. So we have a hidden divergence, yes, but we also have a reversal divergence, yes. So what does that mean? A conflict is in between the buyers and the sellers. So you don't need to go so aggressive. All right, yeah. So you buy small and start taking profits quicker than you could have waited if there was no regular divergence, the reversal divergence, right? Then, bam, the market raised higher, and you smashed a few pips, but there is some reversal divergences are now occurring. All right, so on this other part, you wait for the market to pull all the way to there. All right, has the market formed a hidden divergence? Yes, showing bullish momentum still coming in. Yes, but we've seen is there a reversal divergence? Sure. So does that mean the trend is weak? Don't get heavy, because there could be a reversal happening soon, or maybe weakness in the market, right? Then confirming more of a reversal, you can see that the market had two divergences right here. Anytime you see two consecutive reversal divergences on a lengthy trend, you know that it's time to, the market is now moving to the other side now. The reversal is just occurring now, right? So anytime you see two regular divergences, so you can see there was weakness there, so you bought a little bit, closed, and then a second regular divergence showing the weakness in the market, so you avoid buying right there. And if possible, if you want to be aggressive, you can short the market. I remember we talked about this a while ago on the Telegram group. It's free, but we bought here again, but we manage the risk. But trading is all about evolving. You make a mistake, learn from it, backtest. That's what I do on the weekends. I backtest and learn from all the mistakes I've done over the week, all right? But continuing to perfect the strategy more and more and more until a time will come I can stake a lot of money, all right? A lot of money with all the confidence, because the strategy is working now maybe 90%. Right now the strategy is working 75 to 80% of the time, but soon I'll have perfected it until we are now crashing every single time, but we are still profiting hard on the Telegram group, right? Yeah, so what happened after that? Bam, the market dropped hard, 200 pips right there, right? Yeah, so what happens on the group? You get numerous opportunities flowing, because the entire group is using one strategy on the divergences, the hidden divergences and the regular divergences. So we don't have conflict of strategies, some claiming support and resistance, others trend lines, others this and that, all right? So you have we all have a single-minded approach to the markets, so we don't have all these kind of conflicting signals, all right? So that is how we are profiting from this particular Telegram group. It's very, very important to be there. Learn learn everything from there. If you have any questions, drop them there. They all get answers from multiple people, from all the answers I've replied in the past, and from the knowledge of other traders who are growing in the team and evolving every single time. All right, so if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and also turn on the notification bell. It's very, very important, right? So let's grow together, let's make money. Bam bam. Bye bye.